Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
This is BTech first year. Okay. We already discussed and complete our most important and first unit. The name of unit is what? Relativity. Okay. This unit is completed. If any students, how many students are attend this first class?
First class.
First class, you. And you are the first student to attend my first lecture? Yes. Okay. So, I am not explaining unit 1. Unit 1 is already completed. Okay. So, I will give you just overview of the unit 1. Then I will start unit number 2. Okay. One to one topic. Okay. New students, please. In unit number 1, the name of unit number 1 is what?
Relativity.
Relativity. The name of unit 1 is what? Relativity. Under this unit, we already studied about the what? First is frame of reference. Done?
Yes.
How many types of frame of reference? Two types of frame of reference. First is inertial, second is non-inertial frame of reference. What is inertial frame of reference? Inertial frame of reference are those frame of reference to follow the Newton's law are called inertial frame of reference. Okay? And non-inertial frame of reference is what? Newton's law does not valid, then this one is called what? Non-inertial frame of reference. Then we already mentioned in topic space and time. Space and the concept of space and time. Del T is equal to del T upon under root 1 minus what? 1 minus v square upon c square, mass variation. Okay. Then Galilean transformation. Galilean transformation. Already we take two frame of reference. First is static frame of reference and second is moving frame of reference. The relating these two coordinates, relating these two coordinates, that is called what? Galilean transformation. We take two frame of reference. First is static frame of reference and second is moving frame of reference. Okay. Equation relating these two coordinates, that is called what? Galilean transformation. Total, how many equations we find in Galilean transformation? 6 or 8? 8 equation. Okay. Now then Lorentz transformation. Lorentz transformation. Next, under this Lorentz transformation, we already explained total 8 equation. Okay. X dash, y dash, z dash, t dash, x, y, z, and t. These all things are already completed in unit number 1. I am just giving the overview of unit number 1 for newly admitted student. Okay. Then we start just unit 2. Okay. Then what topic we will discuss in unit number 1? Michelson-Morley experiment. Michelson-Morley experiment. This topic is most important for your exam point of view. Exam 10 marks, very important. Lorentz transformation 10 marks, very important. This one is height and 3 marks. Okay. What is Michelson-Morley experiment? We already make a separate lecture. If you search in YouTube Michelson-Morley experiment by Sagar Kumar Sahu, then you have to find. Okay, complete lecture. I am preparing two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 explaining 4 point, again 4 point explain, next part 2. Okay. Then Doppler effect in Saturday in classroom we already discussed Doppler effect. That is relation between what? Source and observer. Source and observer. What is the definition of Doppler effect? Anyone? The apparent change in frequency due to relative motion between source and observer. This is called Doppler effect. Then we already explained mu dash is equal to mu under root 1 minus v upon c upon under root 1 minus v upon c. These are the formulas we are finding already in previous lecture. Okay. Already make one video lecture. You search YouTube. Same thing. Okay. Next is what? Mass energy equivalence relation. Mass energy equivalence relation. Then that is what E is equal to mc square. E is equal to mc square. Done. You all are in video lecture. Don't talk and don't say anything about in this class. Okay. If you concluded on my video lecture, then you have to say. Okay. Continue. What topic remaining in this unit number 1? Anyone? Space, time, frame of reference, motion, Doppler effect, Lorentz transformation, Galilean transformation. Yes, special theory of relativity. SGR, special theory of relativity. There are two postulates we are already explaining first lecture. That is all frame of reference and the value of c. Okay, I as compared to all the velocity. That is what is the value of c? 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. About this SGR we already discussed in initial. What is relativity? Already explained and give one video. I am taking very simple example and giving the two concepts. Relativity is based on two concepts. First is state of rest. Second is state of motion. I am connecting these 2 points. We are taking one reference point. Use this reference point. We are separately measure and declare this object is state of rest, this object is state of motion, this object is state of rest, this student table are state of rest. Okay, any car is moving like, okay, this is what? State of motion. Because all these things we compare one reference point. These are the complete relativity. So here we conclude relativity part. This is your unit number 1. If newly student, if any doubt in any place, you talk with me freely. Okay. Today our main topic and we start unit number 2. Okay. Unit number 2. Erase these things. You all are happy or not? I am taking this type of lecture.
Very happy.
Yes.
Yes, very happy.
You camera turned in your side or not?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Now continue. Don't talk. Our main class is on today is what? Unit number 2. Unit number 2. And what is the name of unit number 2 is nuclear physics. Okay, nuclear physics. Unit number 1. What is the name of unit number 1? Relativity. Unit number 2, nuclear physics. Unit number 3, geometrical optics and acoustics. Geometrical optics and acoustics. Done. And unit number 4, wave optics. Unit number 5 is last, laser physics. This is your total 5 unit: relativity, nuclear physics, geometrical optics and acoustics, wave optics and laser physics. If you are attend in my class regularly, then you teach and learn everything about physics. Okay, I am starting from basic to done. Okay, we already discussed in basic part 2 or 3 classes. What is velocity, speed, scalar quantity, vector quantity, all these things are already discussed. Acceleration. Okay, so in this unit, how many topics we learn? First point is controlled, controlled and uncontrolled, controlled and un uncontrolled chain reaction. Chain. Okay. First topic is what? Controlled and uncontrolled chain reaction. Second point, yes, criteria of critical mass. Criteria of critical mass. Done. Number third, what? Nuclear force. Okay. Next topic is nuclear reaction. Nuclear force and nuclear reaction. Okay. Next point is nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor and its site selection and all the parts. Okay. Next, what under this unit number 2, nuclear force, nuclear fission, nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, nuclear fission and fusion. Okay. Elementary particle, elementary particle, elementary particle. Okay. And elementary particle, then about alpha particle, alpha rays, beta rays or beta particle. Okay. And gamma rays or gamma particles. Okay, we know in this unit about alpha particle, what is alpha particle, beta particle, gamma particle. Okay, alpha rays. Okay, I am explaining one by one. Next point is electron ballistics. Electron ballistic. Don't talk electron ballistic. Under this electron ballistic, we study about 2 spectrographs. Okay, first is what? Aston mass spectrograph. Aston mass spectrograph. Aston mass spectrograph. And last is what? Band bridge mass spectrograph. Done. And last point, motion of charged particle. Okay, motion of charge. I will write here. Motion of charged particle. Motion of charged particle. Motion of charged particle, electric and magnetic field. Okay. Electric and magnetic field. Subtopic is clear. Okay. In any subject, if you know about the subtopic of your unit, then you studied this. This study is very smooth for your mind and relax for your mind. What thing we read, what we know about this, that is very simple step and very easy step to know about this. What thing we learn under this unit number 2. Okay, one by one. First is what? Controlled and uncontrolled chain reaction. Done. Second is criteria of critical mass. Criteria of critical mass. Number third, nuclear force. Number next, nuclear reaction. Next, nuclear reactor. Next, nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion. Okay, elementary particle. About alpha particle, beta particle, gamma. That is the form of rays. Okay, then electron ballistics. Under this, Aston mass spectrograph, man bridge mass spectrograph, and last point and last topic is what? Motion of charged particle. Motion of charged particle, electric and magnetic field. In your 12th class, you already studied all the points. All the points in your 12th class. Okay. So here one by one explain. Today we explain controlled and uncontrolled chain reaction. Start. Today we start point number 1. What? Controlled and uncontrolled chain reaction. Okay, we start from basic. First thing, all of you understand about the meaning of nuclear. Okay, in your 12th class, this is BTech first year. Okay, but we already know about the nuclear force, nuclear reaction, nuclear fission, nuclear fusion. Okay, if Hindi mediums, so what? Nabiki, Vikhandan, Nabiki, Sanlayan, Nabiki bal. Okay, but in your BTech, there is no allow for writing in Hindi. All the topics must be in what? English. So here I am what? Break this part. Okay. Start from English to English, not from English to Hindi. I'm just all are just try to understand what we know under this topic. Okay, if you are not understanding, then you ask freely. Okay, any topic, any case. So start controlled and uncontrolled chain reaction. What do you mean by controlled? Controlled. That means what? If we control this class, that I am saying I am controller of this class. If examination, you give exam after this semester, then your higher post in examination section what? Controller of examination. What do you mean by this? This main and this particular object control all these things. That is what? Controller. But here we know the points under the nuclear. That is helium, uranium, barium, krypton, alpha particle, beta particle, Q values, energies. These are the basic points of nuclear. Done. So we understand the meaning of controlled and uncontrolled chain reaction. First thing, what? Reaction. Reaction, that means if I am taking number A plus second particle B, if I am adding this two value giving number B plus another value Y plus some energy, these are called nuclear reaction. Okay, nuclear reaction. In place of A, we are taking another substance like helium, beryllium, krypton, this type of elementary part, sorry, this type of atom. Okay, H2O, 2 units of hydrogen and 1 unit of oxygen. That is 2H plus O is equal to H2O plus some energy are released. These are the reaction. Okay, everyone understand the meaning of reaction.
Yes.
Okay, if I am using nuclear, that means small part, small bit. Then continue. Now come to the reaction main part. 0 and 1 is what? Anyone tell me? This is what? This is what? Neutron? Neutron? Okay, this is what? Neutron? Done? This neutron are bombarded on heavy material. Here we take uranium. The atomic number of uranium is what? 92. And atomic mass of uranium is what? 230. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? 92 is the atomic number and mass of this uranium is 235. If lighter neutron or small neutron are bombarded on this heavy atom, that is here we take uranium, okay, then these atom splits into two parts. Splits into two parts. First is Ba is what? Barium or boron? Barium. Done. And Kr is krypton. Okay. What is the atomic number of barium? Anyone? I firstly say you already studied in your 12th class. This is 11th class. That is what periodic table. All the atomic number, atomic mass will be clear. Okay. 56 krypton and 6 3. Okay. Done.
56 बेरियम का 56 बेरियम का 56
Barium 56.
यस सर देखो ना
Krypton or barium? Krypton 36 and barium
56
atomic mass of barium. Atomic mass of barium.
atomic mass
What is the atomic mass of barium?
137
No. 141 and 92.
double 56
Correct or not? No. 137 and 92.
80
What is the atomic mass? Mass is the double of atomic number. What? If we are adding this value and we get this value. If adding 36 plus 56, that one is correct. 92. 6 to the 12, that is 2. Carry 1, 4 plus 5, 9. Atomic mass is done. Okay, but atomic number
137 बेरियम का
1 4 done 3 4 5 5 9 13 3 and 1 2 correct. One 41 is correct because release free neutron.
Oh.
Okay, release free neutron. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Continue. The meaning of this reaction is what? We take here one neutron and one heavy atom. This atom splits two part and release three neutrino. These are the concept of nuclear reaction. Here we take one neutron. This neutron is bombarded on these atoms, and this atom, this uranium atom is split into two parts and two fragments. First is krypton and second is barium. Okay, and release three neutrino in the form of energy. Again, this neutron 235, then Ba krypton and again release 3 neutron. This process is continued. That means this is the example of uncontrolled chain reaction. We are controlling this reaction or not? No. So this reaction is called uncontrolled chain reaction. Okay. So type of this first is what? Controlled
Chain reaction.
controlled chain reaction, and second is what? Uncontrolled chain reaction. Done. What is the in controlled chain reaction? That means reaction are controlled. Okay, reaction are controlled. But in uncontrolled chain reaction are not controlled. Just continue, move. Okay. What is the example of controlled chain reaction? Nuclear reactor is based on this principle. Is based on this principle. Okay, correct. And what is the example of uncontrolled chain reaction? Atom bomb. Atom bomb. Okay, you just light it and blast. Atom bomb. Atom bomb are the example or based on the concept of principle of controlled uncontrolled chain reaction. Okay, today only one point we discuss. Next class we start criteria of critical mass. Next point. Okay, today conclude. Lecture are good or not?
Very good, sir.
Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, class. Thank you.